Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the rust a little bit more maintainable on the bottom of pots and pans. This is my oldest pan that I own. It's about 6 years old. All you're going to need to fix this up is a little bit of Easy Off and some Brillo pads. I got my Brillo pads from the Dollar Tree, and then I ordered this from Walmart. So super cheap to be able to get this done. So let's go ahead and hop in. I just went ahead and sprayed this on my pan. I made sure to be pretty careful to only get it on my pan. If you wanted to, you could do this outside, just because this Easy Off is pretty harsh. I have the heavy duty version, but I just sprayed it on pretty thick. I'm gonna leave this sit for 10 minutes and come back and scrub it with my Brillo pads. So you might be able to see here that the rust is actually starting to come up. And once you see that, I would go ahead and let it continue to do that for a little bit. Mine's been doing that for about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to take my Brillo pad here, get it wet, and start scrubbing. If you wanted to wear gloves, this would be a good time to throw those on. You actually see the rust literally falling off this pan, and I'm just lightly scrubbing. Look at all that rust literally falling off this pan with very little work from me. I'm applying almost no pressure at all to this pan. I want to keep this in real time just so you can see how long this is taking me. I'm not going to do cuts here so you guys can see that I'm not just fooling with you guys. This is just really how easy this is. Super simple. This would be a good time if you want to check out any of my other videos. I will link videos down below for you guys in my description box if you want to check out other ones. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, all of those things. And now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this off. You might have to repeat this process once or twice to get it completely off, just depending on how bad your pan was, but look at how brand new, well, not brand new, you can still tell it's an old pan, but the before and difference on this is insane. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.